Enigma Concepts in North Carolina, the Hickory area, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about us and the help that we had from MSC. I'll give you a little bit of background. Had an accident several years back that left me disabled and supposedly unhireable, so I got some help from vocational rehabilitation that originally tried to send me back to school to get some more education, and once they did some background they found out that that wasn't exactly what I needed. So later on they set us up to meet with MSC, Tony Whitener and Dan St. Louis, who actually seen what we were trying to do and kind of bypassed a lot of the unnecessary educational format that they were trying to get us to go through at first, and they were able to take my concept and help us out with several of our products. In fact, they were able to help us out with modeling, some of the CAD work, and even was able to set us up with several manufacturers to help us to make some of the components for our product. In the last few months, we've actually, since we've hooked up with MSC, we've made several magazines, national magazines, with several of our products, including our new motorcycle cooling system, our KAOX. And in fact, this is one of the pieces here that was provided help through MSC. We actually had MSC to take my three-dimensional drawings and actually create a model, and the model was actually an in-hand piece that we were able to take to several manufacturers and have them quote pricing on, and we finally found several companies to help us out with this product. In fact, the product was just now chosen one of the top 10 products for the motorcycle industry by Easy Rider Magazine and V-Twin. Another product that they've been helping us out with is our new LED lighting, and an issue that we had is we need a very complex heat sink for the lighting, and they've actually set us up with a company now that has the ability to take my drawings, and MSC took it, turned it into a CAD format, sent it out, and now we have a company that is willing to do our extrusions, and this gives us the ability to control the heat in our new lighting systems. So pretty much what they've done for us is given us the ability to go from concept to market in an accelerated rate to where we can get this to market and also get a workforce in line. And that's pretty much the biggest help that we could get, was just getting us from point A to point B, because it was a new company. We didn't have that knowledge, and that's what they were able to provide us with.